Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry easily. First, let's get organized. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. You'll want to have your protein or vegetables cut, your aromatics finely chopped, and your curry paste or powder measured out. This mise-en-place approach ensures you can focus on the cooking steps without interruption, leading to a delicious meal in no time. Now let's build that incredible flavor base. Start by heating your oil in a sturdy pot. Once it's shimmering, add your chopped onions and let them soften beautifully. This step is crucial for a sweet foundation. Then, introduce your garlic, ginger, and curry paste. Stir constantly for about 1 minute. You'll notice the aroma intensifying, which means you're on the right track for a rich and complex curry. With our aromatic base established, it's time to add the liquids and main ingredients. Carefully pour in a can of creamy coconut milk and some broth or water. Stir everything together, then add your chosen protein or vegetables. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, allowing all those wonderful flavors to combine and deepen. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until everything is perfectly tender. Almost there. Now for the exciting part, tasting and finishing your curry. Take a moment to sample your creation and adjust the seasonings. A little salt, pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice can really brighten the flavors. Finally, stir in some fresh herbs like cilantro or basil for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious, homemade curry hot with your favorite accompaniments like fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.